Okay, my friends, so sometimes we are super busy and we miss out on trading opportunities. So what I'm going to show you now is how you can automate your trading, use the day trading and weekly swing trading using the ultimate high-low breakout or reversal trading EA. Okay, it is based off the ultimate high-low dashboard, and this is the actual EA here, and we're going to go over how it actually works and how you can benefit from it. Now, it isn't fully automated. You still need to look at the dashboard, look at your key levels, and then you can program the EA onto the time frame and asset that you want to be trading on. Okay, so how it works is these ones are very basic for uh, trading EAs. Okay, take profit, max orders per day, 1 or 2, whatever you want to be trading. This is the key one here you want to be doing. Okay, so say we wanted to trade a breakout of the current asset, the Euro AUD, at the previous daily high. You can see it's breaking out of that area now. What you want to be doing is you want to trade by the high, by the new high. Okay, you want to take the low off. Okay, and have that none. Okay, the time frame. So the time frame you want to be banded on. So obviously we're trading the previous daily high, so it's going to stay on the daily. If you want to be trading the weekly, the previous weekly high, you'll be selecting the weekly, or the previous monthly high, you'll be selecting the monthly. Okay, don't go any lower than that there. Okay, you can test that on your own, but key levels are the previous daily highs, weekly and monthly highs and lows. Okay, so you'll select that for the daily. The distance you wanted to enter the trade. So say you confirmation that the trade goes 20 pips above the previous daily high. You can put that in there. If you say you want to take a trade at the daily high, you'll just put 0, or 10 pips above. You just enter your value in it there. If you wanted to take it a little bit earlier, you'll just put in the minus value there, and it'll take the trade 10 pips before the daily high. Okay. Also, this is the end of day filter, which is it will automatically close the trade whether it's in profit or loss at the end of the trading day, which for day traders is what I recommend. This one is the end of week, so if you're weekly swing trading, it would automatically close the trade at the end of the trading week. So it's very, very powerful, saves you a lot of time, saves you being at the trading screen waiting for trades. It will simply do the work for you. There also is a bonus EA that's included in it. It is the same one, but it will only take a signal if a MACD divergence hidden or classic happens at the daily highs or lows, or the weekly highs, weekly lows, or previous monthly highs or monthly lows. Okay, that will be in the members area, but this is the main EA that you want to be using. Very, very powerful, saves you a lot of time, and you get it for this unique price below today. And any questions, let me know at will@fxace.com. Happy trading.